How to fix the Instagram app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimon from App Guide, and in this guide video I will show you the way on how you can fix the Instagram application. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, what you want to do is just go ahead and then launch the settings application. Once you launch the settings application, I want you to go ahead and look for the option called apps, which is at the bottom. So just select the option called apps. As I select apps on the list of these applications, I actually want you to go ahead and then search or look for the app called Instagram. Find Instagram over here, tap on it. Now go to storage. Clear the cache files, which means some of the temporary junk files that the app don't really need. If it still doesn't fix the issue, then try to clear the data and then see if that fixes the issue or not. Clearing the data will make you sign out of your account, which means that you have to log in back into your account again. If that doesn't help, then what you could also do is open your respective app stores. Once you open up your respective app stores, I would recommend you to update the Instagram app to the latest version. And in order to do that, tap on the search box, type in Instagram. If you see an update button there next to the Instagram app, I want you to go ahead and then simply update the app to the latest version. Once you've updated it, most likely it is going to fix all of the bugs and errors that existed in the previous version of the application. Still, if you're not being able to fix the issue, if you're on Android, you can actually use an alternative solution called the Instagram Lite application. It works just as seamlessly and sometimes even faster than the normal application that you have. Or else, I would also recommend it simply try to switch to cellular data if you're having the problem with your Wi-Fi. And hopefully one of these solutions may have definitely worked and helped solve the Instagram application. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.